The Ukrainian company Robotic Complexes has unveiled the Plyushch, an advanced unmanned ground vehicle designed for radio communications and electronic warfare. Equipped with a 10-meter retractable mast, it ensures stable connectivity and effectively counters enemy systems. Built on a tracked platform with an electro-hydraulic drive, the drone offers high mobility and quiet movement, making it ideal for operating in difficult terrain. With a weight of 775 kilograms, a maximum speed of 9 kilometers per hour, and an operational range of 40 kilometers, the Plyushch is controlled remotely via SIYI 5.8 GHz patch antenna. It can operate at distances of up to 10 kilometers in open terrain and 3 kilometers in rough environments. The system is deployed in just 80 seconds and requires only 1 or 2 operators, who control it through a video channel from an optical module. As autonomous robotic systems continue to advance, the Plyushch represents a significant step forward in modern defense technology. With growing demand for unmanned solutions in communications, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare, such innovations are becoming increasingly crucial. Future developments will likely enhance autonomy, threat detection, and integration with other unmanned and manned platforms, pushing the boundaries of next-generation warfare. Subscribe for more cutting-edge defense and tech innovations.